Carl Gustav Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist and psychoanalyst, developed a rich and complex framework for understanding the human psyche. Among his many contributions, the concepts of the shadow, the anima animus, projection, and synchronicity are particularly significant. Let's explore each of these concepts in detail. 1. The shadow, l'ombre. The shadow is one of Jung's most well-known concepts. It represents the unconscious part of the personality that contains repressed weaknesses, desires, and instincts. The shadow is often considered the dark side of the psyche, but it is not inherently evil. Instead, it encompasses aspects of ourselves that we deny or ignore because they are incompatible with our self-image or societal norms. Formation. The shadow forms as a result of the individual's socialization process. As we grow up, we learn to suppress certain traits that are deemed unacceptable by our family, culture, or society. Integration. Jung believed that integrating the shadow into conscious awareness is crucial for personal growth. This process, known as shadow work, involves acknowledging and accepting these hidden aspects of ourselves, which can lead to greater self-awareness and wholeness. Manifestation. The shadow often manifests in dreams, fantasies, and projections onto others. For example, we might strongly dislike someone because they exhibit traits that we unconsciously reject in ourselves. 2. The anima and animus. The anima and animus are archetypes that represent the feminine and masculine aspects within each individual, regardless of their biological sex. These archetypes are part of the collective unconscious and play a significant role in relationships and personal development. Anima. The anima is the feminine aspect present in the male psyche. It represents qualities such as emotion, intuition, and relatedness. Jung believed that the anima influences a man's relationships with women and his own inner world. Animus. The animus is the masculine aspect present in the female psyche. It embodies qualities such as logic, rationality, and assertiveness. The animus influences a woman's relationships with men and her own inner world. Integration. Just like the shadow, integrating the anima or animus is essential for achieving psychological balance. For men, this means embracing their emotional and intuitive sides, while for women, it involves acknowledging their rational and assertive qualities. Projection. The anima and animus are often projected onto romantic partners, leading to idealized or distorted perceptions. Recognizing these projections can help individuals form healthier relationships. 3. Projection. La projection. Projection is a psychological defense mechanism where individuals attribute their own unconscious traits, desires, or emotions to others. This concept is closely related to the shadow, anima, and animus. Mechanism. When we project, we see in others what we cannot see in ourselves. For example, a person who is unaware of their own anger might perceive others as being angry or hostile. Impact. Projection can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts in relationships. It can also prevent individuals from taking responsibility for their own feelings and behaviors. Resolution. Becoming aware of projections and reclaiming these disowned parts of ourselves is a key aspect of Jungian therapy. This process involves introspection and the willingness to confront uncomfortable truths about oneself. 4. Synchronicity, la synchronicite. Synchronicity is a concept that Jung introduced to describe meaningful coincidences that are not causally related but seem to be connected by their significance. These events challenge the conventional understanding of time and causality. Definition. Synchronicity refers to the occurrence of two or more events that are not causally related but are experienced as meaningfully connected. For example, thinking of a friend and then unexpectedly receiving a call from them. Significance. Jung believed that synchronicities reveal the underlying unity of the psyche and the external world. They often occur during periods of psychological transformation or when an individual is deeply engaged in the process of individuation. Examples. Synchronicities can take many forms, such as recurring numbers, symbols, or themes that appear in dreams and waking life. They are often interpreted as messages from the unconscious or the collective unconscious. Philosophical implications. Synchronicity challenges the materialistic view of the universe and suggests a deeper, more interconnected reality. It aligns with Jung's interest in mysticism, spirituality, and the paranormal. Conclusion. Jung's concepts of the shadow, anima, animus, projection, and synchronicity offer profound insights into the human psyche and the process of individuation. These ideas encourage individuals to explore their unconscious, integrate disowned parts of themselves, and seek meaning in their experiences. By understanding and working with these concepts, one can achieve greater self-awareness, psychological balance, and a deeper connection to the world.